662 Bombs for Josh, Part 12. We're making edits to the ABOMB08 system in this video. Source code is here. We're going to go over the 662 deltas, anything with a 662 in the margins. So in data by system, within the ABOMB section, we have finished the contents of this conversion function that takes an A81 and converts it to a U81 corn, which is a object version of a U81. So this can be read as U81 object, and I'm just calling it corn, because like corn on the cob. Yeah, it's a weird-ass name. It's my code. I can name it whatever the fuck I want. This is just a triplet of U27s that encodes a 9x9 graphic in three 3x9 slices. So this goes in, that goes out via output parameter. Here's some variables. You can pause here to read these, but I don't have time to read these for you. Let's go down here. So we're going to scan through the 3 different rows in our output object. We're going to reset the bitpacked U27 to 0, and then we're going to loop through the relative index in network bit order of the individual bits that are going into this U27. We need to extract what bit we're looking at, so we're going to take the uncompressed data, we're going to seek to the correct cluster, and then add a relative offset to get the bit we want. Then we're going to make sure that the bit is either 0 or 1. We're going to assign this to network bit order for readability. Then we're going to flip it around to get the actual bit order, and then we're going to bit pack that bit into the correct slot of the U27. After we're done looping through every single bit, right here, right, looping through every single bit and creating a bit-packed U27, we're going to store that bit-packed value in the correct U27. So if we're on the first row, it goes in U27 top, the second row, U27 mid, and the last row, it goes into U27 bot, and then we're going to return void, and that's it. So here's what we did in the previous video, and then down here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Coder, right here to Ninja Coder. You are here on Kanji Coder. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. Like and subscribe. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. So like and subscribe if you want to see how a madman makes a game engine.